I'm sure may kinalaman tong park sa mga taong nawawala. I feel like there's something much going on here. Are you investigating something? Kasi nga, ang dami ng kwento about this park. Lalo na at night.
Great stories ba? Kasi I've been here before. And trust me, napagay ko na makikita. Hindi ko na-explain. I'm just trying to get out of here, pero nagkakaiba nga yan.
May mapa at simbolo dito. I've seen this marking sa mga missing persons reports. Parang may koneksyon. Sana nga hindi totoo. Pero Olivia, I think it's like someone are trying to warn us.
Could this be a map? Or the park? Wait lang. Why would someone leave this here? Excuse me. Are you guys talking about these characters? Or heard some crazy old stories from the old multiverse?
You guys better know. The park is it's not something you can. Ano yun? Parang may mga boses na bumubulong ang mga puno. What is that? It's just a wind. Right? Hindi pwedeng... This is getting really weird.
No. Something definitely moving behind us. Hindi lang ako sigurado kung ano.
This for weeks. And this feels like it's part of a bigger picture.
I'm sure I heard something. Hindi ko lang alam kung totoo. Ang creepy na lugar na to. You're not imagining it in this park. It's got a dark past. And it won't let anyone live once you're in. Ano bang ibig mong sabihin? Ano bang nangyayari dito? Who are you?
Tama siya. Matagal ko nililito ng park na ito. Ang mga nawawala ay koleksyon sa mga bagong nakaganda.
Sinubukan ko nang umalis dito. Hindi ko kaya. Kahit anong daan ang piliin ko, bumabalik pa rin ako dito. Parang ayaw kong pakawalan ng park.
Totoo yan. Binabago ng lugar ito ang mga mas matagal ka, mas mahirap ang hati.
We were all brought here for a reason. Parang you were never meant to live this way.
Come down. You're part of the park now.
I've been taking pictures for this place, but this time it feels like the pictures are taking me.
You don't understand, do you? The park, it claims who know so much.